guys, today I will be showing you how to make a little pencil out of a toothpick, but it's just for decoration, so let's get started. So first things first, you need toothpicks. Then you're going to need a pink marker for the eraser, silver, gray, or black for the middle part, black for the tip, and any color of your choice, but I choose purple because it looks best in my opinion. And first I'm going to get a toothpick out. Oh yes, and I almost forgot to mention, you're going to need a pen. No, you're going to need some scissors, so I'm going to be right back. Go. And we are back. But you can make it a dull pencil, you can make it a halfway sharp pencil, or you can make it a full sharp pencil. But it has to have that part cut off. So first, we're going to start with coloring it. And you're gonna have to use your color of choice. So whenever I'm done, I'm going to show y'all. We're going to be right back again. So I have finished with the color of the base. Now we're going to be doing the black as the tip. Now I'm going to be right back again. So every single time I finish, I'm going to show y'all. Then I'm going to go for a second so I could finish coloring it. Alright, so I did the tip of the pencil. Now let's get to doing the gray part, the middle part of the pencil. So y'all can barely see it, but if y'all try to look at it closely, it's right there. So now we're going to do the eraser part. And now the pencil is finished. And now the pencil is finished. It has the eraser, the middle parts, the base, and then the lead. And that is how you make a miniature pencil for decoration. Bye!